Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making Ghana tea bread. Yes, Ghana brodo. So get your Milo and your cup of tea ready, and I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. And also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and share. I hope you will enjoy this delicious Ghana tea bread, and we'll give it a try. Tea bread lovers, more here, let's gather here and let's enjoy your hot tea bread with butter, fried eggs, omelets and sandwiches. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'll be listing all the ingredients and the quantities I use in the description box below. For the ingredients, I'll be using yeast, sugar, vanilla powder flavor, nutmeg, salt, bread flour, and melted butter. So in the warm water, I'll add the yeast and the sugar, and I'll mix it well and let it sit in a warm place for about 10 minutes. For the yeast to activate. Next to the flour, I'll add the nutmeg, salt, vanilla powder, and I'll mix it well. Now the yeast has activated. So in the large bread mixer, I'll add the flour, now gradually add in the yeast mixture and also the melted butter. And I'll be using the bread mixer to knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it forms the dough. And at this point it's done kneading, so I'm going to cover it with a clean foil and leave it in a warm place for about 10 to 15 minutes to double in size. And at this point it has doubled in size, so I'll now transfer it onto a clean greased bench top and I'll lightly knead it for a few minutes. And I'll lightly knead it for a few minutes. Next, I'll prepare the tray. So I'll go ahead and get my tray ready with some flour, and I'll set it aside. So next, I'm going to divide the dough into 4 sizes. Now I'll put them on the weighing scale to make sure they're all equal sizes. Next, I'm going to use my fingertips to remove any air bubbles trapped inside, and I'll mold it into a loaf. So I'll keep repeating the process until it's all done. Next, I'm going to use my fingertips to spread it out and fold it into a loaf, and I'll repeat the process until it's all done. And at this point, the bread loaves are all done molding, and I've already arranged them on the baking tray. So I'll sprinkle some flour on it, and I'll cover it with the clean tea towel. I'll set it in the warm place for about 1 hour to double in size. And after 1 hour, it has now doubled in size and it's ready for baking. So I've already preheated my oven to about 350 degrees, and I'll be baking it for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, our bread is all done. It's smelling so good. And just look at how soft our Ghana tea bread is, smelling very good. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. And I'm going to have it with some butter. So thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, and also share, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.